Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Twitch app not loading problem. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Twitch app, then tap on app info. Once you tap on app info option, then here tap on storage usage here, and here you should have to clear the cache and as well as clear the data. Tap on this and now OK. Now cache and data has been cleared. The next step is close this app and open Google Play Store if you are using Android and App Store if you are using iOS, and tap on search option in the bottom. Now tap on search bar on the top and here search for Twitch and then tap OK. And now you should have to update the app, so you will see the update button here. So simply update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue. So hope this will work for you. Thanks.